Hello, welcome to PPL Motorhomes. We're here in our RV parts superstore in Houston, Texas. I'm Boyd McMakin, and today we're going to be talking with Terry Cooper. He's America's RV expert. He's here with us to talk about his books and his instructional videos that he has. Over the last 37 years, Terry's been associated with the RV business. In the last 7 years, he's been training technicians in the RV industry. And right now, we're going to go over and talk to him, and he's going to explain the videos and the books to us. Let's go talk to Terry. Terry, appreciate you coming in.
Thank you, Boyd.
I know we just got finished with our seminars here. We had a bunch of our customers in listening to you give us a seminar on repairing water heaters and maintenance on water heaters, and an electrical seminar on Friday. So that turned out real well. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and share this with our internet viewers on your books and your DVDs. Can you tell us a little bit about the books you've produced?
Absolutely. This is the Atwood Water Heater book. This book has been written for the do-it-yourselfer, the guy or lady that wants to go through and do their own service, their own maintenance on their water heater. In here, we go through and show you how a standing pilot water heater works, how electronic ignition water heater works, and then show you the most common problems that you'll typically incur with your water heater. Then, with that symptoms, or those chart of symptoms that we have there, we'll give you the different problems, the different procedures that you can go through to fix those problems. Step by step, the voltages, maybe the different test points, what you're expecting to look for. Lots of pictures. The goal is to walk you through this so that way it's like having a technician looking over your shoulder, guiding you through it. Because there are some differences between Atwood and Suburban, we've also written a book on Suburban water heaters, here again with standing pilot, as well as electronic ignition, guiding you through it, showing you the symptoms, and also the test procedures. Test procedures are a little different, but they basically will walk you through it. And if you have any knowledge at all, this is the way to go, because it'll guide you through it and show you, okay, this is where you want to look, and this is your next step. A sequence step by step.
Just a step-by-step procedure.
That's all we're about. You know, because let's face it, if people will do a little bit of their own service, do a little bit of maintenance, they'll eliminate some of the problems that they have when they go out and do their RV. And that's what we're trying to do, is to make it to where it's like having a technician looking over your shoulder, guiding you along on it.
I know you have the books here, but you've also produced a couple of videos. One of them is a guided tour of an RV. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, this was written because of a lot of dealers that are having problems with, they sell an RV, and then like Tuesday or Wednesday of the next week, the consumer's calling saying, I don't remember everything that you told me. And what we wanted to do is put something together so that way the consumer could go through and watch each segment. So if they have a question about the refrigerator, they just go to that segment and watch it play out. Have a question about the water heater, they can go through there. There's also a segment in here on batteries and the hydraulic slide outs, and even how to sanitize your water tank. All these different things would be things that you would normally see in your owner's manual, but we put it in a video form so to guide you through it. And that way it'll save that customer from having to call the office and be on hold or wait for some technician to get to them. This way they can take care of the problem while they're out there at the campsite.
They just watch the video, know what to do, and go out and do it, and continue with their trip.
There's no sense in ruining a trip when there's some answers right here to get you going again. Okay?
You've also produced a video on a few repair items. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, this one is the professor shows you how. And what we're going to do here is we're going to show you how to burp your water heater, show you how to operate the awning, even show you how to install an air conditioner. And then we have some little mini seminars in here saying, like, for instance, one of them is the 15-minute air conditioner makeover. Because we know that if you'll do simple things like cleaning the air filter, making sure that you clean the coils and get some things done, this air conditioner will take care of your RV. So what we've done here is we've just put all these segments together in this one video, so that way if you've already gotten the guided tour and you know what's going on, this is the next step that takes you a little deeper. And here again, to make that RVing lifestyle much more enjoyable.
I know it's a great set of books. The DVDs are great. What else is coming out from the RV Professor?
Well, we're in the process right now. We're developing webinars. So folks can go online and download and view a webinar on, say, basic electrical for RVs, water heater, propane, all these different topics, because here again, people are very busy and they just need, give me some more information.
Right.
I don't have time to come to a seminar, take time on my day, but I've got an hour that I can sit here in front of the computer and I can watch this and I can get the information I need and go take care of my own unit or go and make my RVing experience much more pleasant. Because here again, what we're trying to do with these products is to make it like having a technician looking over your shoulder, guiding you along, and making that experience much more pleasant.
You also have some other books, not necessarily in the works, but you're going to have some other series come out.
We do. We're on track to do 12. Now, obviously, these are the first 2 that we're doing, but our goal is to have books on the refrigerators, the air conditioners, the furnaces, those things that make it easy for the do-it-yourselfer. He can work on it or she can work on it themselves. So that way, it's like, here again, like having that technician looking over your shoulder, guiding you along, step by step, what needs to be done. So that's what we're going to be doing here.
It's a great set of products, the great books, the great DVDs. I'm looking forward to seeing what you're coming out with in the future, and I appreciate you coming in, Terry.
Thank you, Boyd. I appreciate your time. This has been really fun. Thank you for the invitation.